Welcome back to the channel. I'm Ben Hughes, we are the Hush Hush family, and today we bring you something a little bit different. We're at Halloween Farm, aka Cattows Farm, for one of the best Halloween events in the country. Come and join us while we explore this amazing place. Look at all these rides, you looking forward to it? Look at those pumpkins. Now we've got so much included with our passes today, including a circus, a cinema, the jungle, what else is there? Trick and treat street. There's just so much it'd be impossible for me to list it, so stay tuned and I will show you absolutely everything. And we're currently walking through Food Village and it seems like loads of choices for food. Spoiled, totally spoiled. We're having a bit of an explore, try and work out where everything is. That's cool. Now he's a little beast, he is. You could do with him in our garden. Now something to consider is there's time slots for things which we'll try and keep you up to date with. We're going to start our day with Trick or Treat Street. Should we go and see what this is all about? Yeah? Yeah, come on, let's go for it. Trick or Treat Street. There it is, look, there's the entrance there, look. I think we need to queue in that way. There we go, Trick or Treat Street. Very bright.
To being in the sun. I much prefer it in there in the dark. Go on, in you go.
Come on,
gather
mate.
round on my red carpet for me. That's it.
Red carpet. Wow, look at that.
Right, and now you need to use your big voices today because there's going to be lots of trick or treating. And another thing that you're going to need is some pockets. Have you all got some pockets?
Got
Or a
plenty.
bag or a grown-up that can carry everything for you? They're useful as well. So, because you're going to get lots of treats to put in your pockets, so you're going to need them, okay? Now, if you're ready, you can go through the curtain. I brought some of my friends with me today, and if you want to on the way past, you can give them a stroke, and I promise they won't bite you, okay? Are you all ready?
Yeah.
Off you go!
Go.
See you later, guys. Have a wonderful time.
Go on in, Jill.
Sit.
What is this?
Stroke it.
Oh. Boo, 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 boo.
I have 4 pockets.
4 pockets.
No, 3.
3
One
pockets.
here.
On that floor.
Oh, don't stand on him. Wow, look at this.
Have we been trick-or-treating before?
Of course you have.
I cannot remember. Right, what do we think we have to do when we go trick-or-treating? Very good. Come on in, gang at the back. I want you to hear you shout trick-or-treat nice and loud after 3. 1, 2, 3.
Trick or treat.
I mean, it was quite feeble, wasn't it? Should we do it again? Louder. 1, 2, 3.
Trick or treat.
Getting worse. Louder.
Trick or treat.
Everybody's left. I need trick or treat really loud after 3. 1, 2, 3.
Trick or treat.
I mean, you might only get half a sweet at this rate, but we'll try. There we go. You can take 2, my dear. That's all right. Right. After you, my dears. Have a lovely time. You're welcome.
Oh, I love that. There's a door here, look.
Who's there?
Hello.
there. Nice to see you all. You interrupted me with one of my experiments. Very good. Hello there, madam. You okay? You having a good day?
Yes.
Yes.
Hairstyle.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I had my fingers in the light socket. Right. So, I guess you got something to say to me all, have you? 1, 2, 3.
Trick or treat!
Okay. I think you're doing it a little bit louder, but I'll let you off. Okay, I got some rats, some pigeons, dead ones, some snakes, dead pigeons all around. That sound good? Yeah. Okay, I think I could find you something a bit better than a dead pigeon, don't you? Stationary sets. Yes, would you like one of those? Yes. Oh, hello there.
Can I come in, darling?
Oh, are you going in? That's it, yes. Don't touch any of that experimental stuff then. It's likely to blow up. Right.
Wow.
One of those for you. One of those for you. One of those for you.
Trick or treat!
Trick or treat! Treat, please! Yeah? Oh. Do you want a treat instead?
You want a treat?
Lovely seat down. No, I've got nothing at all.
Look at it.
There we go. You're very welcome. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween!
It's like that when you come round to mine.
Right, so are you all alive? Yeah, you look alive. Put your head up there. Right, we've never had a small competition before. And I have no idea what to do next. Yeah. Let's come and grab a treat.
Wow.
Oh yeah, some stickers.
One. There you go. You got one, sweetheart?
Look in here, Jill.
This is like, wait, this is like
Yeah, it's a bit, isn't it? Okay, what's through here? Wow. Look at this.
Take a sweet each of you, my good little, my good little scientific minions and this place. Take us some sweets. Some sweets? No, in that. You hadn't it?
3. Get one for Caden.
Is that all half for it? Hold it.
Should we go in the jungle then?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah?
Children. One, yeah.
Right, let's go. Look at this. Not too sure. Yeah, look, there's how you get in. Wow, please remove your shoes. There you go, take your shoes off.
Oh, we're going on the slide, I guess.
Yeah.
Come on, you can get up here. It's a bit sketchy, isn't it?
Yeah, I think this is actually a slide.
I have to do it with one hand.
Daddy!
You watch me go down. Ready? Come on.
Look at this. Look, there's more. Going that way. Absolutely amazing here. Look at that. Moving head spotlights. Massive circus tent just full of inflatables. Just amazing. The effort they've made for this is just insane. The kids are loving it. Unfortunately, adults aren't allowed in there with them, so I'm having to walk around the outside to get some footage for you. Little seating area for the adults there. I think I've seen 3 or 4 slides so far. What do you think of it in here, Gio? Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Look at that pirate ship. Good, isn't it? Look at that pirate ship. Look at the size of that. So while the kids are entertaining themselves on inflatables, I thought, oh, I'll have a drink. And just in the distance, I seen licensed bar, and it'd be totally rude not to have a beer. And let's go see how much they cost, shall we? I'll keep you up to date with that, of course. Could do with a beer now. It's a lovely day for it. Absolutely lovely weather today. So there we are, pint of Carling, £5.50. Not a massive fan of Carling, but it'll do. Wasn't too much choices, to be fair. And now I've got to go and seek a hot chocolate, which I can see. Loaded hot chocolate over there. So let's go and see how much they are, shall we? And here we are, loaded hot chocolate. This is nice, isn't it? Hot chocolate, £3.80. So now we're heading into the Lost World. It looks like a corn maze. Here it is. Should be interesting. You ready for this? You gonna get lost? Yeah. I hope we don't. Cool, isn't it? What an amazing place. Straight in, no queue. Good. Do supervise your children, don't feed the dinosaurs. So apparently we need to find 5 baby dinos that haven't hatched yet.
We've been finding sweet corn.
Been eating sweet corn? Right, yeah, let's head through here, look. Look at the size of that dinosaur! Well done. Diplodocus. Wow, did you know to scare away predators it whipped its tail with such force, scientists believe it may have been able to break the sound barrier. That means it would have gone bang. Oh! What dinosaur is that, Caden?
Never mind, it's not a pterodactyl.
What is it? A pterosaur? Wow, look at that, it's actually flying. Oh, it's moving.
I can see the snake above it.
Not that one, look, the other one's moving. Gonna eat it? It's one of your 5 a day though.
What if you just eat 5?
No, you need a variety. Oh, I can hear something around this corner. Oh, look at that bad boy there, look. Look at him! Wow. Alright, mate.
It actually makes purple with the red and blue lights. I didn't know that.
He's posing. Tell you what, there's more animatronics than in Alton Towers. Velociraptor. Wow, look at this. It's the Congo River rafting Land Rover. Wow, look at that! Look at the T-Rex above it. That's a beast.
It's under the car.
That's an actual beast. Wow, fair dues.
Tail's wagging.
Oh, he's going to knock the statue over. Gio! Gio! Look at that one! Yeah. That's absolutely mental. I'm so impressed with this. Wow. Gotta come here and see this. It's incredible. We're looking for an egg. I think this might be the last egg. Oh, you found it. Well done.
It's there. The egg's there.
Yeah, here's some facts. Height 6 foot. See, I knew I was a unicorn. Speed 100 miles an hour.
No.
Look, it moves as well, look.
Quite faster than that. There's disco balls. I didn't even know disco balls was a thing back in there. That's like the olden days. I don't know how many oldens I actually need to say.
So now we're going to have a look at the spooky cinema, and I believe it's showing the Addams Family. How good is this? A big tent for a cinema on a farm. That's awesome. Let's go for it, shall we? Right, so it's showing the Addams Family, and apparently there's some special effects in here too. And this shows at different times throughout the day, and we're going for the 4:30 slot, so that's something to check out before you actually before you start to adventure around, is try and work out the best times to see these things. But this is it. Let's get in here, shall we? Wow, look at this. This is looking awesome. Wow, look at the ceiling. That's amazing. Fair play.
It's bush, not full. Hello, everyone.
One love to explore. Joining us on the piracy venture.
Oh, it's not all bad, my dear. At least they pit the children against each other in a competition that will inevitably...
But look, I'm not actually there. Here! Well, you get it. Welcome to this year's science fair. I'm excited to honor this group of brilliant minds we have before us. Let's put it to see.
And the winner is...
Good luck.
You were serious.
Everyone.
So that was good. Pretty amazing actually, considering it's on a farm. The tent, which is right behind me. And the special effects, there was strobing and bubble-filled smoke, smoke-filled bubbles. Pretty decent actually. And there's another look at it. Decent. I think we're gonna go get some food now, we're all a bit peckish. We've all decided to go for a cheeseburger, which was £7.50 each. With that, we've got chips and a burger. It's awesome. Everyone happy? You happy?
Yeah.
Fantastic. I've just had an amazing burger. Did you enjoy your burger?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we're gonna have some dinky donuts. 10 donuts for a £5. Not bad. Do you think that's gonna be enough?
10?
Yeah. Only dinky donuts it's looking like though.
We can get 20.
Should
we get 20?
Did you enjoy your donuts?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Should we fancy going picking some pumpkins?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Right, we're going to try and find a wheelbarrow. Well, it says pumpkins there, so we'd assume the wheelbarrow's there. Fingers crossed. You see it, yeah? Let's go, let's do it.
No, but it's not that.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's definitely that.
Pumpkin Land, here we come. So the wheelbarrows are kept by the entrance, so we've just got to Pumpkin Land and now we're walking back to get a wheelbarrow.
It's only going to take like 5 minutes.
Yeah, okay. That was Gio's idea because I was about to carry them, but he insisted he wanted a wheelbarrow. And I think that's more because he wants to sit in it while I push it. Of course, Daddy draws the short straw again.
And I just get out when a pumpkin.
Right. But aren't you a pumpkin anyway?
No,
You're my pumpkin.
You're pumpkin.
You're my pumpkin.
You're that pumpkin over there.
Oh.
Try not to smash it.
I'm really excited to see what all this looks like at night. Because of course it is only early October, so it stays light until quite late. It's currently, what time is it? 5:34. So we've got an hour and 25 minutes until our circus viewing, which of course is at 7 o'clock. And that's our highlight, I think. Right, we've made it back with a wheelbarrow. That's definitely something to consider. If you're going pumpkin picking, grab your wheelbarrow as you come in. There we go, let's go again, shall we? Hope there's some left. Well, I'm glad to see there's plenty left.
Wow. Oh, I can see it. I can
Look at that bad boy over there. Got Caden spotted.
Why didn't you pick that one? Little. Pumpkins. Pumpkins.
Why is that fly on?
Have you got your wheelbarrow license yet?
No.
No, I can tell.
Wheelbarrow POV! Yeah! We're going! We're going!
Talking, yeah?
Yes! This is so good. What is the one?
Things you see all like college Ferris wheel.
There's a Ferris wheel! What's the one? It's just so... Oh, it's lighting up!
Looks cool, doesn't it?
Wait, the
Are
same...
we going to go on that in a minute?
Yeah! But we still have to deliver these pumpkins to the car. Ah! Oh, I don't know what that's called. The lights just keep popping up. I think it's like called the twister or something. That's just a car race thing. I don't know. Oh, it's full of
Please insert your tokens now. Press the pedal and turn the wheels slowly.
So we've just returned our pumpkins to the car, and now we're going back in to do some rides before getting in the circus. And I just thought I'd show you, because I didn't get the chance to before, the actual entrance and how you get in here. And this is the main entrance where you can pay. I think pre-booking has got to be better and easier, but this is it. Isn't it amazing? The theming just throughout is just brilliant. Now, doesn't this look so much better now it's got a bit dark? All them lights.
The Ferris wheel is the best.
You think? Yeah? This is £3 each. Ghost train. Quite a small ghost train for £3.
I think I can still go on it.
There's a nice little kids coaster here. Do you want to go on that, do you?
You want to go on that?
Yeah? You want to take the GoPro?
Yeah.
Right, Gio wants to go on this.
Come on, ride my spooky ghost.
what do you think of that?
Good.
It was good.
Where's
It's over there, look. Yeah, was it worth £3, yeah?
Yeah.
Good,
A
right.
little bit.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It was over quite quick though, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, what else are we going on?
Amazing.
Bounce high. That's it, well done. Yay! So now he's going on this fun house, £3 a person, not bad. Going on, yeah? Pass that, Caden. What do you think of that then?
It was actually quite good.
Yeah, was it worth £3? Yeah?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Look what Caden's going on. Right. £50 for one go apparently. 50p. 50p for one go. Ready? Come in. I didn't even move. So now the boys are going on the dodgems and it was £5 per car, so that's good. They both get on for a £5, not bad at all. Nice, looks good. Right, quiet though, so there's not many people to bump into. So it's quite speedy. Right, those dodgems look really quick. Did you enjoy them?
Yeah.
Yeah, what about you, Caden?
Yeah, it was pretty fun.
Yeah, fantastic. Right, we're going for the circus at 7 o'clock and it's now 7:15. And I think if you want good seats, you better get there now, really. We're looking forward to that. We've heard good things about it. It's been a nice little place, this has. That looks awesome. Looks cool, doesn't it, Gio? Let's get a photo of you by it. Right, here's the entrance. Here's the tent. Let's get it on, shall we? There we go, we're all set. The show starts in 5 minutes. You looking forward to it? I guess that means yes.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I think it's.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Twisted Circus, a place where being weird is wonderful.
warned that this next act is incredibly dangerous, and so you must remain in your seats at all times. It also goes without saying, do not try this at home.
What did you think of that?
I don't know, it's just so good I can't even describe it.
What did you say about your mind? Did you say you had your mind blown?
Yeah.
Yeah? What was your favourite part?
The bikes.
The bikes?
Yeah.
Yeah, and mine. I think I enjoyed the Laser Man too. Do you enjoy the Laser Man?
Yeah.
How good has this day been?
And the third best of this day is the night.
Yeah?
Lovely.
The night?
Yeah.
Look at all these lights now. That was amazing. What did you think, Caden?
That was amazing. Like the bikes, I just started screaming, to be honest. My voice is starting to go, so I can't really talk a lot.
Wait.
Pretty awesome, to be fair. What a day. What a place to come and visit. What a Halloween event. I can see why people are speaking so highly about it. Those bikers were just amazing. Wow, the practice that must go into making that perfect, eh? So that brings us to the end of our video and of course our time here at Halloween Farm. We've had an amazing time. It's been incredible. I want to say a huge thank you to Halloween Farm for providing us with admission today. If you have enjoyed our video, don't forget to
like and